Community helpers. And another one, what I taught you? Love yourself. First, you have to love yourself. Am I right? No. Yes. Okay. Shall we start our kids anthem? Everyone stand straight. Everyone stand straight. Join your hands. Close your eyes. I want to see everyone. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Repeat with me. You are with me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me, my potential inside. Today I praised with all my might. I self-achieve you, my potential inside. Rub your hand. Rub your hand. Put it in a face. Rub your hand. Put it in a face. Relax. Okay? Today, shall we start a rhymes or warm up? What you want? Tell me. Can anyone tell me? Go in mute and tell me. Yeah, Kaushik. Warm up panna. Okay, sorry. I will go with the jars now. Can everyone stand up? Can everyone go stand up? I want to see. Yeah, stand up. What's going on? Right side, left side, left side. Down, down, jump, jump, jump. Down. Fast, fast, fast. Jump. Stop. Very nice. Very nice, kid. Very nice. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Good morning.
Good morning, Nishwant. How are you?
I am fine.
Say, I am fine.
Yeah, maybe he was not loud, ma'am. Sorry, we joined late, so you wanted to say.
No issue. It's not that much late. It was okay. Yes, Kritika, parents. You want to say something? Yeah. Parents, 19th we have a imaginary activity. Everyone got that seat, am I right? Can anyone tell me? Parents. I'm asking parents.
Yes, there was some kit.
Yeah. You have to color that seat and ready for the activity on Monday.
Okay, can you,
Everyone, please color that seat and ready for the activity for on Monday.
ma'am? Can you show the exact sheet which needs to be colored?
I don't have that seat now. I will show you on Friday itself.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, parents. Okay, kids. Shall we start our session? Okay, first everyone drink a water.
Water, Amma.
Okay.
Mom, give me water and
Okay, drink a water.
I drank so.
You drank? Very good. Shall we start our session? Yes. Okay, tell me what rhymes you want today. I will sing that rhymes or new rhymes I will let you know. Tell me. Tell me, Jasna. A new rhymes or old rhymes?
New, புதுசா பழசா? New or old? Old.
Old one you want? No new rhymes. Okay, tell me what old rhymes you want. Tell me.
என்ன rhymes? What rhymes? டக்குன்னு சொல்லு சார். டக்குன்னு சொல்லு.
Tell me fast.
Count the peanuts. 5 little monkey. Sorry, ma'am.
5 little monkey. Okay, no issue. Then everyone has to stand up for the 5 little monkeys. Stand up. Stand up there. You want 5 little monkey, na? So, okay. Okay. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped it, said. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped it, said. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Yay! Hooray! Okay. Shall I taught you one new rhymes, okay, today? Start. Do like this. Do like this. Do like this. Do like this. Yay. Come up. Like this. Come up. Okay. Incy Wincy Spider. Incy Wincy Spider went up to water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Incy Wincy Spider. Yes, Kaushik? Yes. Go in mute, Kanna. Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried off the rain. So, Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Okay? Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried off the rain. Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Okay? Say clap, clap, everyone clap. Okay, today who will count the fingers? Tell me, who will count the fingers today? Who will leave one finger and count the fingers? Nishwant, you want to count? Nishwant, you want to count? Okay, count. Just go in unmute and tell me.
2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8.
How fast you are counting, huh? This much fast I can't count.
Yes.
This much fast I can't count, Nishwant. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now Jasna has to count. Leave one finger and count and show me.
Oh, ma'am, cut it. Say.
1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh my God. Everyone is counting very fastly.
Clap, clap.
Now what to do I? What to do I can't. This much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't see. I can't do this much fast. My kids are very fast. Very good. Keep it up, everyone. Keep it up. Very good. Clap for you, everyone. Now who will count? Who will count? Just raise your hand. Who will count it? Now who will count? Just show me. Raise your hand. Who will raise your hand? No one count. Okay. Satvik has to count. Okay, Satvik, count it. Leave one finger and show me.
1, 2, 3, Chapo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't count this much fast. Count it.
Fast, loud.
Okay, Harshit is also doing very good, Harshit. Wow, he is opening a finger with help with another finger. Okay, nice, very nice. 4, 5. Very good, Satvik. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, I did wrong. How bad is that, na? I'm not doing fastly. Am I right? Oh, sit. Okay. Very nice, kid. Keep it up. Clap for you, everyone. Keep it up. Very nice. My kids is very smart. Keep it up, Jasna. Keep it up, Kaushik, Nishwant, everyone. Keep it up. Very nice. Okay. Now it's time to language time. Okay, what line is this? Tell me, anyone. What line is this? Standing line. What line is this? Sleeping line. Very good, Vinishwan. What line is this? Standing line. What line is this? Mountain pattern. I might tell you. I talking about mountain pattern. What line is this? Upper curve and down curve. Okay. So today I will let you know how to write letter A. Yesterday you did, na? Yes, Kaushik. Nishwant, you go in mute. Yes, Kaushik, you want to say something? Okay. Yesterday I told you saw a letter A and you stick some crumpled paper on that. Now today you have to write a letter A. You have to match 2 standing line and 1 sleeping line. Okay. You have to know how to write letter A. Okay. So today I will let you know the sound of A. Do you know, kids, what is the sound of A?
Out.
Very good, Satvik. Apple. Very good. So today I will introduce you the sound of letter A. Story. A sound story.
Story.
Yeah. You want to meet someone? Very good, Nishwan. Just go in mute. Just go in mute. I will introduce one story. Okay?
Okay.
Say yes. How do you say yes?
Yes.
Yeah, how do you say yes to me? Yes. Very good, Nishwan. Yes.
Yes. Hey, Papa. Who's J?
Did you know who is he? Do you know who is he? Can anyone go in mute and say? Unmute. Alligator. Yeah, alligator. Her name is what? Do you know? Ali the alligator. Story name is Ali the alligator and apple tree. Ma'am, I'm able to see and everyone able to see my screen and I'm audible to everyone. Can anyone tell me?
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay, I will go. Okay. The name is Ali the alligator. He lives in a lake. See, behind one lake was there. See, Ali the alligator live in a lake. There was a big apple tree. See, did you see that behind backside of big apple tree?
Ma'am, can you zoom little bit and show, ma'am?
Yeah. Now you able to see?
Yes.
See, apple tree. See the backside of alligator. There was a big apple tree near the lake. See, did you see the background? Yeah, there was a big apple tree near the lake. Every day Ali the alligator used to eat apple. He wants to eat apple daily. He used to love eat apple daily. Alligators love to eat apple daily. Alligator has a habit to eat apple. We have a habit to eat food now. So that's way Ali the alligator also had a habit to eat apple daily. One day, Andy the ant. See, did you see the ant? Andy is a friend. Alligator friend was Andy. One day, Andy came to meet him. Hi, alligator. How are you? I'm fine, Andy. How are you? How you come today? I want to meet you, Ali. So many days went back. So I was thinking to come to meet you. Oh, thanks, Andy, to come here. Let's go, we play together. They both played sometimes. They are playing like this. Sometimes they are playing, doing rolling. They went on the floor and they are scrolling like this. They are playing and so much played. They both have played so many times. They both become very hungry. Ali says, I become very hungry, Andy. What about you? Andy also says, I'm also feeling very hungry, Ali. So, shall we had some foods? And then Ali say, yes, I'm also so hungry. Hungry. Let's go near the apple tree. Let's go to the near the apple tree. Eat some red juicy apple. Did you like apple, Andy? Yes, Ali, I like apple. Red juicy apple. Yum, yum, yum. Shall we go? See, did you see? Ali and Andy both came near the apple tree. See, there was some apple was there on the floor. It was a red juicy apple. They both walked towards to the apple tree. There was some apple lying on the ground. Ali and alligator started eating, munching the apple. They both started eating the apple because they are feeling so hungry. So they want to eat apple. Okay. The apple was very juicy. The apple was very tasty. And Ali and the Andy both had some apples. So many apples they had, and they feeling so nice. Oh, my stomach is full. It was very red, juicy apple. It was very tasty. Andy the ant went to talk to each other. Then after eating, what did you know that, kids? They went. See, there was a lake outside, backside. They are thinking after eating, shall we go for the swimming? Andy says, yes, I also want to swim, Andy. Shall we go for the swimming? So both went to the lake. They both went to the lake and doing swimming. After a few times, when they came out for the swimming, the alligator started sneezing. Do you know how the alligator sneeze, kids? Ah, 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 choo! See, they went after swimming, Ali started sneezing. Ah, 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 choo! When the Andy see the Ali the alligator was doing very nice sound. Ah, 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 choo! Then Andy see the sound and laughing it. Ha, 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 ha. Can I also do, Ali, this sound together? Both can do this sound together. Ah, 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 ah. Both are making fun together with this sound. Both are doing the sound. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, ah, ah. Do you know, kids? What is the sound of this? What is the sound of ah, ah, ah? Can anyone tell me? What is the sound of ah, ah, ah?
Yes.
What is the sound of ah, ah, ah? What letter sound is that? A sound is that. What is the sound of A? Very good, kids. Sound of A is achoo. Do you know the sound of A? And some Just a second. I will show you the A sound. You are interested to sing this sound? Okay. Okay, the sound of A is coming. Again. And so my arms, and so my arms, and so my arms, they closing in my lung. Did you like this sound, eh? Rhymes? What is that? Shall we play again? Shall I play again? Yes or no?
Yes.
And so my arms, and so my arms, and so my arms, they causing me alarm. Did you like this? Yes? Did you like this sound, eh? Yes. Okay. Now I'm showing to you one more thing. Okay. Okay, kids, what is this?
Apple.
Apple. What is this? Okay. What is the sound of A?
What is the sound of A?
Okay. Can you take your workbook, kids? That is page number is E1. This page you can please open that page. Open your workbook, everyone. Open, everyone. Go. Workbook. Everyone, open your workbook. Yeah. Show me. Show me. Yeah. Very good. Very good, Kaushik. That was only. Yeah. Okay. So everyone had that one. Okay. Spell. Okay. What letter? The apples letter with the begin with letter what? A. Apple words with the begin with letters A. Alligator also begin with the letter A. Ant also begin with the letter what? A. Axe also begin with the letter A. Aeroplane also begin with the letter A. First word I will read and say. The next word you have to read and say to me. Okay, kids? A, P, P, L, E. Apple. A, P, P, L, E. Apple. Now you have to read your letters, kid. You have the seat now workbook. What is the second one? Ant was there. Show me. Read. P. Nishwan, can you please read another one? See the workbook. What is the second one? Read that word.
Okay. Idi in letter. Idi.
N. Alphabet.
A.
T.
A and T. Ant.
T.
Ant. Now you have to say the sound also. Ant.
N.
Okay. Jasna, now your turn. Read another letter.
இதெல்லாம் கேக்குறாங்க மேம்.
Alligator.
Yeah, alligator. Read the alligator. What is the sound of alligator?
Alligator.
Very good. Now read it. Read the letters.
Airplane. Airplane.
No. Only you have to read the alligator letter. A.
Airplane.
L.
L
L.
L
I.
G
G.
T
A.
U R.
T. O. R. Alligator. Now, Nishwant, can you read another letter? Yeah. Alligator double letter. Aeroplane. What is the? Can you please spell that? Aeroplane spelling. Very good, Nishwan. Now it's Kaushik time. Kaushik, read the letter F. Apple. Okay, parents, don't force the Kaushik. Let it go. Now, Ritika, can you please read for me apple word?
ஆப்பிள் சொல்லு. இந்தா. இது என்னது? சொல்லுடி.
Yeah, apple spelling kanna.
லெட்டர்ஸ் சொல்லு. பிரித்திகா, இங்க பாரு. லெட்டர்ஸ் என்னென்ன இருக்கு சொல்லு.
P. Very good, Pritika. Now, Harshad, your turn. Can you please read another letter?
హర్షి ఇది ఏంటి? ఇది చూడు. ఇదేంటి? ఇది ఏంటి? చెప్పు. హర్షి.
A and T, ant. Now, Satvik, you have to read the alligator spelling.
చూడు alligator spelling ఇది చూడు నన్ను చూడు చెప్పు alligator చెప్పు పెద్దగా చెప్పు alligator చెప్పు.
Very good, kids. Everyone keep it up. Very well. Very nice. Okay. Now take your workbook. Everyone take the workbook. Write the letter A. How to write letter A? Just a second, I will show you. Okay. four line is there, na kids? This four line is there, na? You have to write from this two line. This two line from red line, then you have to come down with this two line. I will show you how to. See. Everyone able to see my notebook? Yes. This two blue line was there. You have to start with second blue line, come up, come down, and trace it like this. Don't start with the red pink line, okay? You have to start with the second blue line, then come up, come down. Start presenting my screen. See, and you have to write like that. Okay? See, there was a pink line is there. You have to start with this two blue line, na? You have to start with the second blue line. Trace it. Come up, come down. And write the letter A. Again, this blue line, start with the blue line. Come up, come down. Go with the pink line and end with the blue line. Complete A. Now start writing, everyone. Start writing. I want to see. Don't go with this line. See, don't write this. Don't write like this, okay? Don't write like this. Write like this. This blue line, sorry. Okay? Write, everyone. A for apple line. Trace it and write it. Help of the crayons or pencil. Write, everyone. Fast write. First row, then second row. Then another row, you have a homework. Right, everyone? Blue line come up with the pink line, come down with the blue line. Start with the blue line, come up for the pink line, down with the blue line, complete the letter A. Okay, just show to me, everyone who complete one row. If you complete one row, just show to me. Yeah, Harshit, just very good, Harshit. Very good. Now do the second line, Harshit. Yeah, very good, Nishwan. Now another, you have a homework. Don't do it now. Kritika, did you finish it, Kanna? Show me. If you finish it, show me.
We didn't
Everyone
have,
finished first?
so
Yes?
she write in a rough note.
Okay, so you don't have a workbook, ma'am?
2 days after we get it.
Okay, no issue, ma'am. No
Okay.
issue. No issue. Kasna, did you complete it, Kanna? Show me. If you complete first row, can you please show me? Yeah, very good, Jasna. Keep it up.
Ishika పెట్టుకుని చెయ్యి లాస్ట్ చేస్తామా ఇక్కడ ఇంకొకసారి
You also complete, Nishwan?
సరే ఓకే సరే ఓకే చాలా సరే ఓకే వద్దమ్మా
Nishwan, did you complete, Kanna?
సేస్
Okay, everyone completed. Very good, Kaushik. Very good, Nishwan. Everyone has completed. Now we move to another session. Okay, shall we play a game? Another, you do a homework, everyone, and send it to me in WhatsApp group. Okay, shall we play a game? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, what I tell you yesterday, everyone remember it, that you have to brush your teeth 2 twice. You have to brush, you have to comb your hair. Yeah, you have to wash your hand frequently. You have to drink plenty of water. Like that, we play a game today. Okay? Just a second, I will show you one thing. Then we play a game. Okay. What is this, kids? Yesterday I told you, now you have to wash your hand after eating, before eating. Am I right? Yesterday I told you, now you have to wash your hand before and after eating. This is a good manners, and this is a very hygienic, clean and hygienic. You have to learn today about the clean and hygienic. How to clean yourself, be hygiene. Okay, you have to brush your teeth twice. See, twice means 2 times, morning, at night. While going to bed, you have to brush your teeth. While wake up early the morning, you have to brush your teeth. Okay? Taking bath every day. You have to take bath every day. Yes, Jasna? Okay.
She was asking
So
what
now
bath means, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
No, she was asking what bath means.
Bath, bath.
Yeah.
Normal bath, na? You are taking bath daily, na?
Yes, sir.
You are
Yes.
taking daily bath, na? You have to take daily bath to clean yourself, to clean your body. You are not taking bath. You are taking bath or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, na? Why you are taking bath? To clean your body. Am I right? To clean yourself. Am I right? So you have to take a bath daily, every day, to clean yourself, clean your body. You have to cut your nails. Why we cut the nails? Because all the bacteria is inside our nails. So that's why we have to cut our nails. We are eating with our hands. If we don't cut our nails, all the bacteria, all the virus, all the things will be inside our nails. When we eating, all the germs will go to the inside our stomach, then it affect with our body. Then we feel illness, we have a fever, we have a stomach pain like that. So we have to cut our nails. Okay. We have to comb our hair. Why we comb our hair? Because our hair is very messy. So many hairs was there. If we don't comb our hair will become very messy. We don't look like a good girl or good boy. So we have to comb our hair daily. After bathing, we have to comb our hair to look nice. We have to change our dress 2 times. When we take a bath daily morning, then we have to change our dress. While you go to sleep, we have to change our dress. We need to change our dress. Did you like a dirty dress to sleep? In dirty dress, did you like to sleep? Yes or no? I don't like to sleep in dirty dress. I want to change my dress, then I have to sleep. You also have to change your dress, then you sleep, na? Am I right, you kids? Then you have to change your dress before going to bed. And after, when you wake up at next day morning, you have to take a bath. Then you have to change the dress. Don't use same dress next day also. Okay? Change your dress. So, okay. Now, doctor is saying to us this good thing or bad thing. Okay? What a doctor says to us, shall we play a game? See, doctor is playing a game with you. Okay? Shall we play a game? Okay? When that doctor says a good thing, a good way to clean yourself, then you have to say yes. Okay? If doctors say bad thing to don't clean yourself, then what you have to do? No. No. Okay? What you have to do? Yes. If the doctor is saying good thing to you, and you have to say yes. If doctor is saying to do the bad thing, what you have to do? No. No. Okay? Okay? Shall we play again? Yes? Yes? Yes. Okay. Okay. Doctor says take a bath daily. Take a bath daily. What do you have to do? Doctor says take a bath daily. Yes. This is a good na. This is a good na. What do you have to do? Yes. Doctor says don't change the cloth. No. This is bad. No. 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 This is a sample I told show you. Now you have to do. Okay. Okay. Doctor says brush your teeth. What do you have to do? Yes, very good, Satvik. Yeah, doctor says good. Doctor says don't wash your hand. What do you have to do? No, no, no. Doctor says, don't cut your nail. What do you have to do? No, very good, kid. Very good. No. Doctor says, don't wash your hand. What do you have to do? Don't wash your hand. Doctor says, is the doctor saying like this? No, na? No. Doctor says, comb your hair. Yes, 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 yes. Doctor says, brush your teeth twice. Yes, 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 yes. Doctor says, don't study. Don't do study. Is it correct? Doctor says? No, na? No, no, no. Doctor says, clean your body. Yes, 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 yes. Doctor says, what doctor says? Don't take a bath. Is this doctor saying like this? No, 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 no. Doctor says, drink plenty of water. Yes, 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 yes. So did you learn about cleanliness and hygienic, how to clean your body, what to do for the clean work for your body, what you have to do yourself? Am I right? Did you learn about the cleanliness and hygienic? Am I right, kid? Now what you have to do, you have to complete your homework and send it to me on my WhatsApp. Okay? And what you have to do, you have to write a very properly. Then second, what you have to do? Tell me, kids. You have to clean your body. You have to clean yourself always. Okay? Then everyone, please switch on your video, parents. I cannot able to see you. I am able to see Nishwan. Okay. Parents, I will show you the imaginary seat on Friday and prepare with that. Please give it to the kids. They has to color it that on Friday, and we prepare for the activity on Monday. We'll do some activity on Monday. So color it on Friday itself. So I will show you that seat on Friday. We have an activity on Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will show you. That's it. I think everyone got that sheet accepted.
Is that under the sea? That one, ma'am?
Yeah, under the sea. Yeah, yeah, like that. Some animal, water animals. Am I right, ma'am?
1 second. This one, ma'am?
Ma'am, actually, I also don't have an idea about that. I will show you on Friday itself.
Okay, okay,
That's
ma'am.
why we give you time for 2 days to prepare yourself. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I will show you that seat on Friday. That seat only you have to color it.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
Should this be colored on Friday during the class time, or?
I will show you first at morning, then give it to the kids when you are free. Then kids has to draw that one. And we have activity on Monday.
Okay.
Yeah. Pritika don't have it at seat. Pritika got on Friday. Am I right, ma'am? You got the all materials on Friday itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yeah, yeah. Thank you, kids. Did you love this session? If you love this session, just show your thumb.
Bye, Chipper.
Time to say bye-bye.
Good.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Chipper.
Bye, kids. See you tomorrow. We can meet you some another activity tomorrow. Okay? Bye-bye. 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 Love you all. Bye-bye. 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 Bye, kids. Bye, bye. Bye, kids. Bye, bye. Bye, kids. Bye, kids.